Today I'm having Hotpot, and honestly I love eating Hotpot regularly. It's a great way to bring people together and the experience is so enjoyable. Going out to eat Hotpot is always a great experience too, but having your own setup at home is much better. It's affordable and you can do it anytime plus watch a movie. One of the best parts? Making your own sauce. I usually go for a peanut sauce. 超级好吃. Mushrooms, tofu, lamb, greens, noodles, dried bean curd, seafood. You can add anything you like. Hotpot at home is just so good. Who's craving it now?